I used an AI to make this sword. Ravan kept Sita in a prison, not to contain her, but to protect himself from her wrath. These 4 frames were created using MidJourney. And if you want to experiment with MidJourney yourself, then in this video, I'm going to tell you everything about MidJourney that you need to know. So first of all, you will need a Discord account. So just go to discord.com/register. Link will be in description. Just fill up your details. I have multiple Discord accounts, that's why it's asking me to verify, but you may not get this prompt. So after verification, you will get this prompt. Just create your own server. Choose anything, it doesn't really matter. Right now, okay, I'm gonna skip it. Now this is a server that I created, so this is my own server, okay? Now I need to go to the MidJourney AI's server and then get the bot in my server so I can use it without getting lots of messages or getting distracted. So let's go to the MidJourney AI's website. So this is the website, the link will be in description. You just need to click on join the beta. It will open Discord. Accept invite. I'm a human. So this is the MidJourney's Discord server. You need to click on any of the newbies and click on the bot, MidJourney bot. You will get this add to server prompt. Just click on it. So here is my own server that I created. So I'm going to select this one, continue, just authorize, and that's it. Thus MidJourney bot has been added to my server. So to start using the MidJourney AI bot, I need to accept the terms and condition. To get the terms and condition button, you just need to give it any prompt. I'm gonna type anything and it's gonna give accept terms and conditions or terms and service, whatever. Just accept it and that's it. Now you can start using the MidJourney AI. So this is the image it created using MGHJ prompt. Anyways, first of all, you need to do some settings. So just type /settings. Here just select MidJourney version 4. It's already selected. Now to give a prompt, you need to type /imagine and type your prompt. You can also use comma to add more details. For example, I want the image to be in golden hours. So let's type. And let's hit enter. So these are the 4 versions it created. Now if you don't like any of these, you can just click on this button. But if you like any versions and you want to create variants of that version, for example, the version 2, this is version 1, this is version 2, this is version 3, this is version 4. Now I want to create variants of the version 2, I can type v2. Okay. Now if you don't want to create variants, if you want to just upscale this one and download it, you can click on u2. Now I'm gonna talk about upscale later, but let's first create variants of version 2. I like this one, so let's create variants of this one. So this is v2. Let's click on v2. And that's it. These are the prompts, these are the images. Now if you want to download any one of the image, you need to upscale it. For example, version 4, so I need to click on u4. and it's going to upscale it. So this is upscaled. Now let's download it. Just click on it, open in browser, right click, save image as, and that's it. Now you can go crazy with it. Also you can do one more thing, that you can upload your own images and create images using that image. So let's upload the image. You can just drag and drop it. After uploading the image, just click on it, right click, copy image link, and type your prompt, paste your link. And these are the images it created. And you can do the same process, upscale, versions, variants, etc. Now to get the keywords, you can just go to this GitHub page, and here you can find lots of prompts, lots of inspiration. So if you type 3 bits, you will get this this kind of image. So I hope you liked this video. If you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe, and also do watch my short film that I created using this MidJourney AI. You guys can also check my Discord server, by the way.